Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to check the database values. So you need to start AVD, that is Android Virtual Device, and open Android Device Monitor. You can click on this button to open Android Device Monitor, and you need to start the application by clicking on the Run button. So while the app is starting, what you can do is you can go to Google and search SQLite browser and click on the first link, that is sqlitebrowser.org. The title is DB browser for SQLite. So click on that link and download it. Download the one which is suitable for your system. So I have Windows 64-bit, so I'll choose this one. If you have 32-bit, then choose this one. If you have Mac, then choose the one that is appropriate for your machine and install it. And just wait for your app to get started. After you start your application, there has to be something in the database. So if this is the first time you're starting or you have used your application and there are some contents, like here it is sign up app, so I haven't added any values yet, so I'll just add some demo values. And I'm going to sign up. So now there is one value added. I'm going to sign up again so that there are two values. And I'm going to click on sign up. So now there are two values stored in the database. So now we can check it. So open Android Device Monitor and go to File Explorer, and there is a data folder. So you can open that folder, and inside that folder there is one more data folder. And after that, check your package name. So your package name you can find on any Java file like this, com.example.priya activity demo. So see your package name and find it in the data folder, com.example.priya.activity demo. So this is the package I want, and you'll find there is one folder created called databases. So open that folder, and inside that you'll find two files. So my database name is contacts.db, and you'll find contacts.db and contacts.db-journal. So you need contacts.db. Select that file and click on this button, which is for pull a file from the device and not the one for pushing a file onto the device. Click on this button and select the directory you want to save it in. I'm going to save it on the desktop, and if you want to change the name, then change it and save it. After that, you'll find it here. So after downloading and installing SQLite browser, open it and just drag this file here. So you'll find this, I created a contacts table, and its structure is ID, name, uname, email, pass, and you can also find the query here. So you can click on the browse data button and select that table. So here you can find ID is 0, name, email, uname, pass, all are ASD, just the way I entered, and the second value is ID is 1 and name, email, uname, pass is demo. So this is how you can check your database values. Just make sure that you started your app and you have added something onto the database before checking it. Otherwise, you won't find this database folder inside this folder. There will be only one folder, cache and lib file. So that's it for today. I hope you understood how to check the database values, and if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye.